Hello, my name is Clive Machingaifa. I am the founder of Handa Transformation Partners. I want to take you through a demonstration of role-based AI. This is our approach to AI training and consulting. Why do we use role-based AI? It's because most of the AI courses out there are either too theoretical or too technical, and nobody really understands them, or they're too general. They just touch on the surface. Our approach is practical and role based. Now, what does that mean? It means we're looking at AI for HR, AI for finance, AI for production, AI for X, any department or discipline within an organization where AI can solve the problems being experienced. We look at it as a functional approach. Each function has its own needs when it comes to AI. And so we divide it into the different functions. I'm going to take you through a few use cases which touch on each of these four elements that I've got on the screen here. We'll start with the AI in HR use case. In this use case, we're going to convert a conversation, a meeting, into a set of standard operating procedures. And to do that, we go to a system called Notebook LM. And I've uploaded a summary of the labor law and the meeting transcript, and then use the AI to come up with a simplified standard operating procedure based on the meeting and the transcript of the meeting and the labor law summary as well. Our second use case is a pricing decision problem where pricing decisions are not being made optimally, and the data that we've got from transactions is not being brought into our pricing decisions. Now, to solve this problem, I've uploaded my sales data set into Claude, which is an AI system. And I'm also going to give it a set of instructions and ask it to do some analysis for me. I'll pause the video while it crunches the numbers. Now, Claude is done. It has produced for me a spreadsheet with several sheets, an executive summary, a full margin analysis, price sensitivity analysis, volume versus margin, seasonality, and a set of recommendations that I can go and use on the job. It's also given me a plain language summary of its findings. The third use case is operations. We need a dashboard to view everything that's happening in our operations. To do that, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and load up my instructions there. Here we are in ChatGPT, and I paste in my instructions. We'll give it time to run that prompt. And here's the final output from ChatGPT, an HTML file, which is our dashboard. There's room here to add data from Excel to update the dashboard. But as you can see, this is a full dashboard from that set of instructions in ChatGPT. Now, for the fourth and final use case, I'm going to build an app. The use case for this is that the sales team is struggling with visibility and they want to see what's happening at the different outlets. To do this, we are going to use an AI system called Google AI Studio. So I'm going to paste my instructions in and let it run. And this is the output. I've got drop-down menus to select what I want to show there, and I've got the output there. This is the front end of what the app will look like. Of course, you have to do work in the background for the database and all of that. This is the tip of the iceberg in terms of what we can teach you. Reach out and let's have a conversation. Cheers.